viewers, welcome once again to another tutorial. My name is Young Lybos, and today we are going to learn the basics of Photoshop. All right, yeah, Adobe Photoshop, one of the very beautiful and trustworthy softwares created by Adobe. All right, so the first time you open the interface, you will see something like this. Okay, it looks simply like this. If you open it for the first time, you will not see recent projects because you have not created anything with it yet. You will just see welcome to Photoshop, and that will be all. All right, so let us create a new file. Okay, so I've been using a couple of dimensions. When you check this, you see I've been using a couple of dimensions: A3, custom, yeah, dimensions. But what you need to do is to first name your project. I'll name it Learn. Okay, and that's enough. So Learn, and then we say maybe 10 by 10 inches. Okay, you can change this here to pixels, to centimeters, to millimeters, to points, whatever suits your project. And then leave the rest as they are. And this is the background content. So do you want a white background, or you want a black one? You want to change the color to any other thing, transparent one? Depending on your project, you know what to do when it's really needed. But leave this like this for now. Let's go to create, and then voila. Exactly. So we have a 10 by 10 inches canvas to work with. All right, so if I go to view and I go to rulers, it is already on, but because of some errors, I'm facing a problem with it. Unless I put on grids and then I put off ruler and put it on back again, I'll have my rulers. Okay, so I put off the grid now. Exactly. Okay, so if you watch closely, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10, and this ends on 10. And when you check here, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, it ends here. So this is a 10 by 10 inches canvas. When you pull on this ruler like this, it will bring in a marker line. Okay, you can keep here. That is a marker line. Another marker line from the top to this side, another marker line from the top to this side, another marker line from the top to this side. You can see that they are all on the 0 to 10 and 0 to 10. Exactly. All right, so this is basically what you will see. I have created my own workspace, and so I've named it Lybos Studios 1. All right, but this is what you see when you open Photoshop for the first time. Okay, when you open Photoshop for the first time, this is what you see. Now, all these are movable. As you already saw, this is movable. You can pull and push it back to its position. We call it docking. You can dock it back into its position. Exactly. They are all movable, just like that, and like that, and like that. Okay, to suit your workflow, and that's it. All right, so this is part 1 of it. I'll continue in the next video, part 2, for you to see some of the awesome things you can do with Photoshop. See you in the next video.